DMS Retail developed the following online workshops for you to take your retail management expertise to the next level. Online Workshop Number 1. Advanced Retail Math and Analytics. The Retail Math and Analytics Workshop Online is a 2-day 6-hour, 2 times 3 hours, intensive program designed to inform retail professionals and suppliers to retail industry about key retail metrics, their calculations and their importance in daily retail operations. Key performance indicators that are essential for measurement of retail operational and merchandising success are covered in detail. In addition, this program contains a section on the very important management tool, balanced scorecards as they apply to retail management. Profit multipliers, retail analytics, big data, as well as use of artificial intelligence in retail are also discussed. Online Workshop Number 2. Retail Operations Management. If you have a desire to make a difference in your business every single day, then you should register and attend the Retail Operations Management Workshop Online, because this is the one place you will be guaranteed to increase your own knowledge and understanding of retailing in the 21st century and learn how you can contribute more to the success of your organization. Online Workshop Number 3. Category Management. This online training is packed with information on how to use retail category management techniques to boost the inventory efficiency and control while increasing profits and the customer experience quality. Online Workshop Number 4. Advanced Category Management. The learning objective of the Advanced Category Management Workshop is for participants to advance from execution-level knowledge to expert-level knowledge of category management by expanding and elaborating on every aspect of the use of the 10 important tools that were introduced to participants previously. Online Workshop Number 5. Retail District Management. Did you know? According to operating data from various retail organizations, district, area, region manager can influence performance by up to plus or minus 20%, DMSRetail research. In actual numbers, that means, if you have a district of 10 stores with $1.5 million average sales each, district manager's influence is about $6 million between minus 20% and plus 20%. No responsible retail organization can leave this kind of influence to chance. Apart from hiring, or better yet, promoting from within, great managers, organization has to make sure that they are well equipped with the right tools and training. Online Workshop Number 6. Retail Standards, Benchmarks and Execution. Development of standards and expectations. Why adherence to standards is a critical success factor. The effective compliance on the operating statement. Why some employees don't meet standards. Creating a roadmap to excellence in compliance and execution. Online Workshop Number 7. Loss Prevention and Profit Protection. Achieving excellence in loss prevention requires a thorough understanding of the underlying causes. Because shrinkage is caused by process and systemic failure, opportunity and the human factor, all of these must be addressed and must be synchronized to make the improvements necessary to stop profit erosion. Online Workshop Number 8. Max ROI Store Visits. Store visits are an absolute requirement of some retail management positions such as district and region managers. For others, store visits are incredibly useful for finding out what's going on as it relates to their function. Online Workshop Number 9. Best Practices for Managing a Multi-Unit Retail Operation. Knowing and doing all of the right things when it comes to customers and the people serving them gives you a tremendous competitive advantage over other managers who are caught up in details and projects that, however important, simply cannot have the same impact on your business. For more information, go to DMSRetail.com.